In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money using Sendwave. First, open your Sendwave app. Make sure you're on the latest version so everything looks and works as expected. Next, log in with your account. If you have security set up, complete your usual verification and you'll land on the dashboard. From the dashboard, you can start sending money right away. Take a second to glance at the exchange rate and any fee information shown on the screen so you know exactly what will be deducted and what your recipient will receive. A stable internet connection and an active funding source will make the process smooth from start to finish. Tap recipient to choose who you're sending to. If the person isn't saved yet, you'll add their details in the next steps. When the app asks how the recipient should get the funds, select the payment method, then choose bank transfer as the payout option. This tells Sendwave to deposit the money straight into the recipient's bank account. Enter the recipient's full name exactly as it appears on their bank account to avoid delays. Then type their mobile number and retype the same mobile number to confirm there are no typos. When you're confident everything is correct, tap Save. Continue by selecting Continue to Send. If you haven't added a way to fund the transfer yet, you'll be prompted to add a payment method. Choose debit or credit card. Carefully enter your card details, including the number, expiration date, and security code. After that, provide the billing address, including the zip code, city, and state. Using the address that matches your card statement helps prevent declines. Tap Continue. You'll now see your available payment methods. Pick the one you want to use for this transfer. Double-check the transfer amount, the recipient's information, and any fees displayed. When it all looks good, select Continue to Send. To finalize everything, tap Confirm Transfer. The app will process your payment and show a confirmation screen. In many cases, you'll also get a receipt and a notification. If the app requests additional verification, follow the on-screen prompts and keep the app open until you see the confirmation. That's it. Your money is on its way. Keep an eye on your email or app notifications for updates and remind your recipient to watch for the deposit. If anything doesn't look right, use the help section in the app to reach support and reference your transfer confirmation.